Welcome to Techmirror. In today's video, the best portable power stations for outdoor camping in 2025. Whether you're heading into the wilderness, setting up your RV, or preparing for emergencies, these power stations will keep your devices charged and your adventures powered. Stay tuned till the end to find your perfect pick. Check out all product links in the description. Number 5. The Anker Portable Power Station Solix C300 is a reliable and compact energy solution designed for camping, travel, and emergency use. With a 288 mAh LiFePO4 battery and 300 watts continuous power output, 600 watts surge, it provides dependable performance for various electronic devices. This model features 8 charging ports, including multiple AC outlets, USB-C, USB-A, and a car socket, allowing you to power or charge up to 8 devices simultaneously. Its 140 watts two-way fast charging capability ensures quick recharging, reaching up to 80% in just 50 minutes through a wall outlet. You can also recharge using solar panels, a vehicle, or the PD 3.1 USB-C port, giving multiple charging options for any situation. The LiFePO4 battery technology enhances safety, durability, and longevity, offering up to 3,000 cycles and an impressive 10-year lifespan. Weighing only 4.1 kilograms, this power station is 15% smaller than similar designs, making it highly portable. It operates quietly at just 25 decibels, ensuring minimal noise during outdoor or nighttime use. The Solix C300 is compatible with Anker's 100 watts or 60 watts solar panels for eco-friendly recharging, although not with certain other Anker solar models. Built with intelligent temperature control and impact resistance, the C300 combines strength and safety. Its compact design, quiet operation, and long battery life make it an excellent companion for campers, travelers, and anyone needing reliable backup power. The package includes the Solix C300 unit, AC charging cable, safety manual, and warranty information. Number 4. The Bailybat Portable Power Station 300 watts is a compact yet powerful energy solution designed for camping, travel, home backup, and outdoor adventures. Weighing only 3.6 pounds, this lightweight device offers impressive portability while maintaining solid performance. It features a 257-watt lithium battery with a 69,600 mAh capacity, allowing it to charge or power multiple small devices such as laptops, smartphones, tablets, cameras, and other electronics with ease. Equipped with dual 120V pure sine wave AC outlets and a 12V/120 watts DC output, the power station delivers stable and efficient energy. With a total power capacity of 300 watts, it can run up to 8 devices simultaneously, provided the combined load stays within its rated capacity. The built-in Grade A battery supports over 1,500 charge cycles, ensuring long-term durability and reliable performance for years of use. Safety is a priority with Bailybat. The advanced battery management system continuously monitors voltage, current, and temperature to prevent overcharging, overloading, or short circuits. The clear LCD screen provides real-time information on power usage and battery status, making operations simple and intuitive. Perfect for outdoor trips or emergency preparedness, this power station serves as an efficient backup source for lighting, small appliances, and communication devices. It operates quietly, ensuring minimal disruption during rest or travel. The package includes one 300 watts portable power station, an AC adapter, and a user manual. Compact, safe, and efficient, the Bailybat Portable Power Station is an ideal companion for modern adventurers and home users alike. Number 3. The Marbero Portable Power Station 88 is a compact, efficient, and highly versatile power solution designed for camping, home backup, travel, and emergency use. With an 88 lithium battery and 80 watts of continuous output, this small yet powerful solar generator delivers dependable performance for charging and powering essential devices. It supports multiple power sources including solar, battery, and AC charging, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor applications. Its lightweight design, weighing only 1.04 kilograms, and compact dimensions make it extremely easy to carry. Built for convenience, the Marbero Power Station offers up to 8 output ports, allowing simultaneous use of multiple devices. It includes AC outlets, DC ports, USB, and USB-C PD outputs, suitable for phones, tablets, laptops, car appliances, and small home electronics. Charging efficiency is remarkable, reaching 80% in just 2 hours, while still allowing other devices to be charged simultaneously. This model features a bright built-in flashlight with 3 adjustable brightness levels and an SOS mode, providing up to 68 hours of illumination, which is highly useful during camping trips or power outages. The integrated battery management system ensures complete safety with overvoltage, overload, short circuit, and temperature protection. Cooling vents help maintain stable operation and prevent overheating. Durable, portable, and easy to operate, the Techmirror Portable Power Station is a dependable companion for outdoor enthusiasts, travelers, and households needing backup energy. The package includes the M82 power station, a power adapter, a cigarette lighter adapter, and a user manual. Number 2. The Zero-Core Portable Solar Generator. 300 watts is an exceptional all-in-one power solution that delivers reliable energy for outdoor camping, home backup, RV travel, and emergency situations. Equipped with a 280-volt lithium battery pack and a 60 watts foldable solar panel, this generator provides consistent and eco-friendly power wherever you go. With 300 watts of continuous output and pure sine wave technology, it ensures clean and stable energy for sensitive electronics like laptops, tablets, and projectors. This portable power station includes multiple outlets for versatile use, featuring 2 110V AC ports, 1 DC port, 4 USB ports, and a quick charge USB output. It also includes a built-in flashlight with reading and SOS modes, offering extra utility during nighttime adventures or emergencies. The power station supports various recharging options through an AC wall outlet, carport, or the included solar panel, which has an impressive 20.5% conversion efficiency for efficient energy generation even under low-light conditions. Built with an advanced battery management system, it provides protection against overvoltage, short circuits, overcurrent, and overheating. The automatic cooling fan adjusts according to temperature, ensuring stable and safe performance. The compact design, weighing just over 5 pounds, makes it easy to transport and ideal for off-grid living or outdoor exploration. The package includes the 300 watts power station, a 60 watts foldable solar panel, an AC adapter, a car charging cable, a cigarette lighter adapter, and user manuals. Durable, efficient, and eco-friendly, the Zero-Core Portable Solar Generator is a perfect companion for modern adventurers and emergency preparedness. Number 1. The Jackery Explorer. 1000 V2 Portable Power Station is a high-capacity, versatile, and reliable power solution designed for camping, emergencies, RV travel, and off-grid living. Equipped with a 1070 mAh Life PO4 battery and 1500 watts continuous output, with a 3000 watts surge capacity, it can power multiple appliances simultaneously, including refrigerators, air conditioning units, electric pots, and other high-demand devices. Despite its powerful performance, the unit remains portable at 23.8 pounds and features a foldable handle, making it easy to carry for outdoor and travel adventures. One of the most remarkable features is its 1-hour fast charging capability, allowing the battery to charge from 0 to 100% quickly when the emergency charging mode is activated via the Jackery app. Standard charging defaults to 1.7 hours to maintain battery health, and the advanced Charge Shield 2.0 technology ensures safe and efficient energy delivery. The Explorer 1000 V2 is designed for longevity, with its Life PO4 battery retaining over 70% of its original capacity, even after 4,000 charge cycles, providing a lifespan exceeding 10 years. This power station includes multiple ports to meet diverse power needs: 2 USB-C ports, 1 USB-A port, a DC car port, and 3 pure sine wave AC outlets. It also features PD 100 watts fast charging for USB-C devices and integrated LED lights for convenience. Users can adjust settings, switch charging modes, and monitor battery usage through the Jackery app, including quiet 30 decibel overnight mode and energy efficiency mode. The package includes the Explorer 1000 V2, a user manual, and an AC charging cable. Solar panels are sold separately. Durable, powerful, and smart, this portable power station is ideal for anyone seeking reliable off-grid energy. Thank you for watching our guide on the best portable power stations for outdoor camping in 2025. We hope this video helps you find the perfect companion for your adventures, whether it is for camping, RV trips, or emergency preparedness. Do not forget to check out the detailed links in the description for the products we reviewed. Stay powered, stay prepared, and we will see you in the next video.